I am old enough now to give some advice about life. So you see, it's pouring outside. It's a countryside. Not so much to see, you might think. I decided to stand here and wait for 1 hour about. You know, people say I have nothing to do, I get bored so fast. I can tell you, standing here, listen to some horses, watching timber, watching weather, breathing, feeling the nature, thinking about your life, where you are now as a grown-up, and remember, think about who you was as a kid and see if it's too much big difference and you need to do some changes.